How would you describe MARKT-PILOT in a few words?
Using 3 words, I would say smart, precise and reliable.
We have proven our business model in the Italian market and can show how important the differentiated consideration of prices in different markets and countries is. Our approach is to work really customer focused and help them to unlock their full potential in parts pricing and improve their after-sales service in general.
Körber is a leading international technology group with more or less 12,000 employees all over the world. Körber Business Area Tissue stands for innovative converting and packaging machines dedicated for tissue products. From the spare parts point of view, the supply chain is crazy and the price is not stable as the customer expected to be. Before using MARKT-PILOT, we used to create the price according to what we could see. It means according to our supply chain, according to the references we find in our market. Thanks to MARKT-PILOT, we opened the door to a broad market. It means that now we can see what is happening in other markets, in other regions and outside of the competence we have. The price radar is a very important tool for us. The results we achieved soon was to have fair prices, stabilization of the price list and increasing the trust of our customers toward the Körber Business Area Tissue. I would recommend the price radar to every machine manufacturer because it can support you in a more market-oriented approach and can give you a different point of view outside of your field of competencies regarding spare parts pricing and lead time.